Hi, my name is Irene Clark, and I'm a teacher at a middle school, and I teach language arts and reading. My classes have been experimenting with Web 2.0 tools, and we found a number of them. And there's one in particular that we have been working with pretty consistently to assist with vocabulary and word parts. And so I'm going to have some of my students talk to you about how it's been working in the classroom, as well as a demonstration by one of them. So please join me. This is Cody, one of my students in my language and reading class. Cody, talk to me about the Web 2.0 tools that we've been using in class. Which ones have you been introduced to?
Notekeys, Quizlet, and Wordfit.com.
All right, and I know that we have worked primarily with Quizlet. Can you tell me and the audience how that works?
You make flashcards with the vocabulary words you give us in the week, and we study for them, and we play games to study.
Okay.
We take tests and stuff.
Now, what are the components of Quizlet? You make the flashcards. What else?
You study them, you learn them, and you play scatter, space race, and you can test on them.
All right. And the test. What ways are you allowed to test, or can you test? You can
True or false,
true or false.
multiple choice, and fill in the blank.
Excellent, excellent. And how have you been doing on those tests?
Good. Ace.
You were quick to share that. Yeah, you've been doing extremely well in the class. I tell you what, could you possibly give us a little demonstration of how the program works?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. Now, this isn't the same Cody that we were just taping a moment ago, but this is Cody. And Cody, you are on Quizlet. And what part of the program are you using right now?
Space race.
Space race. And how does that work again?
You have to put in the definition before it hits there. If it hits there, you have to retype it and keep playing.
Okay, now you were just playing this a few minutes ago. And what level did you get to?
27.
With about how many points?
219.
All right. So would you consider yourself to be a master of the game?
Sort of.
I think that you would. Thank you.
There you have it, technology integration in my classroom. I use it extensively in teaching my students vocabulary, which is one piece of the reading comprehension puzzle. However, technology is not the only method by which they learn vocabulary. It is one of a holistic approach. I use activities that work for my right brain and my left brain students, as well as auditory and kinesthetic. So technology kind of brings it all together. And as I said, they have been quite successful with it. I'm pleased with it, and I'm glad that you were able to join me and my students for this tour of our classroom and how we use technology in it. And thank you for joining us for the tour.